Hello and welcome. Today we are going to add a custom connection and then see how we can modify it. Let's add a connection between the two members. We have made a custom connection. So yes, so here this is our custom connection. Click on the first object, click on the second object. Here we go, it is done. But now there is a problem. You will see that the plate is clashing. Okay, let's zoom in. So plate is clashing with the beam, so we have to modify it. So let's see how we can modify it. First of all, we will calculate the angle between the members so that we can rotate. So here just click on the beam and we will click on the edge which is aligned with the plate. Okay, now click on the edge of the plate and then click on the edge of the beam. So these two surfaces should have zero angle. It's 357, but we have to rotate it by 3 degree only, which is 360 minus 357. So now let's do it. How we can rotate? First we have to allow the modification in the custom connection by double clicking the blue box. Now we will select the plate. These are the elements basically of the connection. We will use the advanced steel smart object rotate command and just give the pivot point, which is again the same at the edge of the plate. Okay, then we have to just click somewhere. Now we know the angle, which is -3 because it is a clockwise. Just make sure that you delete the source object. Just see the preview, and now it is perfectly fine. So just click OK and then we are done with it. Thank you for watching.